Zdaj, ker sem pa še te lepe, mlade dame videl tako lepo plesati, zdaj sem pa se jaz odločil in sicer veš kaj?
Povej.
Jaz sem upisal plesni tečaj. Lej, če vsi tle tako obladajo, zakaj pa še jaz ne bi tako, veš?
Ja, Bibi. A veš kva, ti si po mojem bolj za cirkus, ka pa za kam drgama, ne? Ampak, ker sva lih pri cirkusu, ne boš verjel, na oder prihaja cirkus.
Čak, a ti misliš ta prav cirkus, ki so klovni, pa tisti, ki se, veš, ki nogo da zavrat, pa živali, sloni, tjulni,
Ja, to je. Lej, en klovan je že na oder, akrobate smo tudi že videli, Društvo za zaščito živali pa je prepovedalo nastop levov in slonov. Tako da, škoda. Ampak, lej, dobro me posluši, da ti razložim to zadevco. Hip-hop plesna skupina, ki se nam bo sedaj predstavila s čist novo plesno točko, ki nos naslov cirkusa, razumeš? Pozdravimo jih na odru, hip-hop plesavke in njihov cirkus.
Step right up, come closer, you won't believe your eyes behind this curtain. Witness something you've never seen before, heard before, tried before, the most amazing show on
earth. Bring the action.
When you have us in the club, you gotta turn the shit up. You gotta turn the shit up. You gotta turn the shit up. When we up in the club, all eyes on us. All eyes on us. All eyes on us. See the boys in the club, they watching us. They watching us. They watching us.
I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh.
You are now rocking with will.i.am in
Britney, bitch.
Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run, that is how we from.
Up no phone, cool and dead. You have a style of your own. Me never know I saw your master the saxophone. Cause you sound like the dog of the town, yeah. I'm lucky when you run, come around, yeah. Make me wobble, make me whole body bubble. And me know I say you're trouble when you're ready for the double. And you hit that note in the middle. Play with it a little. Why you sound a tickle? I'm telling you that hit that note in the middle. Stay with it a little. Why you sound a tickle? I'm feeling them.
Celebrate like I just touched down. And we getting ready to party, I'ma show you how. Yeah, shit happens, but tonight we don't care. I just wanna see you put your hand in the air and say